In this landscape, Millie has used very vivid colours. There are loads of bold brushstrokes. It must have taken her ages.
Yeah, and do you know what, Millie? Those colours are so vibrant, it reminded me of a trick that I've learnt over the years, especially when using watercolours, and that's keep your water clean. Now, I know you're thinking that would be impossible when you're doing a painting as you're constantly using your water. However, the secret is to have 2 pots of water. Use 1 pot for the dirty jobs to wash all your brushes out in and get rid of the paint, and the other pot, keep that clean just for the clean water. Then you can dip your paintbrush into it before selecting a new colour from your paint box, and this will prevent your paints from becoming mixed and going muddy, and your painting will then remain really bold and vibrant. Nice one, Millie.